nothing is easier than ordering items through the catalog. Let's make a quick example for a wash project, where we will install 5 new borehole hand pumps and do some water testing. We'll start by opening the wash category in our navigation pane. We'll then click on borehole hand pumps and locate the India Mark II standard hand pumps. Then we will enter a quantity of 6 in the quantity column. The catalog is then ask us whether we want to add it to our order. We click yes. We can then click on view ordered items on our toolbar to go to the order page. The order page had a procurement request header. This header has already some information that we entered during registration, and namely the procurement request reference and our name. It also has 2 calendars. By clicking on the arrow on the side, we can enter a new date. And for example here, we can select a new delivery date. We then have optional details like the project code and donor code. They are optional because they can be entered here or later in our procurement request. In the table underneath, we have the items that we have currently ordered. Please note that it's still possible to change here the description. And for example, we will change to extra deep well. The description. The quantity we could change as well to, for example, 5. And we could change any additional details like the delivery location or the project code, donor codes, etc. It should also be noted that the price was converted from USD in our catalog to Kenyan shilling using the exchange rate given in the registration page. We can click on the Save button. It will save our order and also export the information to an Excel PR. At this point, we can still continue working with the catalog. We can add more items. We'll click on View the catalog to return to the catalog page. Then click on Pipes to add some GI pipes. We'll use Galva as our filter in the text box and search for pipe 1.5. We then add 24 pieces to our order. We'll then click on water tests, and here we'll look for incubators. So I'll type InQ. The incubator is a kit. Some of the kits in this catalog have also kit items. If I click on the arrow next to the item, it will now show all the associated kit items. When entering a quantity of 1 in our quantity column, it will also ask us whether we would like to include all individual items. If we click yes, then all sub-items are added to our order. This means all the kit items. The kit itself is shown and all the kit items as well. This is particularly useful if you'd like to remove some items from the kit. Here we will select the kit manual. This is the one. By clicking on it, and then we will press the delete key on our keyboard to remove this item from our order. Using a combination of Shift and Control key, it's possible to select multiple items in the catalog. Close the incubator kit as such. We'll now type fen, because we're looking for fennel. We are going to add some extra fennel tablets to our order. For example, we would like to have 250 tabs extra to our order. Now, the catalog is asking us whether we want to use the current unit, the box, or the subunits. Because we want 250 tabs, we are going to use the subunits, and for this reason we click no. We now have completed our order and can return to our order page. We can then enter a project code, for example wash 01. We can also enter a donor code, for example A1, a contract, for example A, and then a budget line, for example B01. We can either individually paste this information in the table by clicking on the paste icon, or we can paste all these boxes into our order as such. We can still change manually the information in any of these columns. We then click on the Save button, and our order was successfully exported to Excel. We can then minimize the catalog and double click on the LCPR icon to open the Excel spreadsheet. All we need to do is go to data and click on refresh all. This will now add all our details from the order that we just created into our Excel PR. We can still here modify information and, for example, add donor code, project code, etc. You can now watch the advanced tutorial series for the catalog. Thank you.